Hi, this is Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Today we are going to be talking about the Big Bear pirate ship. High up in the San Bernardino Mountains sits the small city of Big Bear Lake. This is a vacation destination for all families in Southern California. Winter brings the snow, summer brings the calm waters of Big Bear Lake. There are many ways to enjoy the lake, but for a unique ride, there is a boat called the Time Bandit. This boat is a replica of a Spanish galleon, but smaller, about a third of the size. It is decked out like a miniature pirate ship, painted all black with red and white accents. They have fake skeletons tied to the shrouds, a flag that flies saying time flies when having rum. The captain even dresses in pirate gear. Music plays as the ship leaves the dock. This 90-minute tour takes you along the western half of the lake, down near Boulder Bay, with beautiful views of forested mountainside. The captain shares history, local ecology, and points of interest, like the Eagle's Nest. There are tons of pirate jokes, playful banter, and even a handheld version of an explosive cannon. Kids can even steer the ship and take a photo with the captain. The story of the Time Bandit starts in San Diego, where a father and son built the ship by hand. Construction began in 1955, but it wasn't finished until 1969, 14 years. The original plan was to sail it on the Sea of Cortez, live on it, and then travel. In 1981, the ship ended up being in the movie Time Bandits by Terry Gilliam. The plot follows a boy who travels with a group of adventurers through history. The ship in the film is the very same one floating here today. After its movie days, the ship served as a tour boat in Newport Beach and LA Harbor. It even served as a floating residence for a while. Eventually, new owners purchased it and moved it up the mountain to Big Bear Lake. That journey took 2.5 days from Dana Point. Furbished as a pirate ship, the Time Bandit has been sailing Big Bear for the last 25 years. And for visitors and locals, it's still one of the lake's most memorable rides. If you want more information or to take a tour, feel free to reach out. I'm Rachel Smith with RE/MAX in Big Bear. Talk to you soon. Bye.